H-80 series high-flow oxygen therapy is suitable for patients with spontaneous breathing. It can provide effective treatment by providing a certain flow of heated and humidified oxygen air. These patients including patients with humidification therapy, oxygen therapy, tracheal intubation, and tracheostomy, the high-flow main device, to ensure a frame connection, and then connect the input end to the oxygen source. Please pay attention to distinguish and interface. Different interface, different standards cannot be installed forcefully. First, insert the power cord into the power base and fix it with the lock of the host. Power on the machine and the screen lights up. The middle part of the main interface displays the monitoring value and the sighting value of the oxygen concentration, temperature, and flow rate, as well as the current mode. And the SD card status, data, and time are at the top. H-80 series product support automatic oxygen mixing function from 21% to 100%. Target temperature supports from 29 Celsius to 37 Celsius, totally 9 levels. The flow sighting range is 2 liters per minute to 80 liters per minute, and you can choose between high flow and low flow according to your needs. 2 liters per minute to 25 liters per minute can be set in low flow mode, and 15 liters per minute to 80 liters per minute is high flow mode. Short press the knob to enter the main menu settings. Taking the setting of oxygen concentration as an example, when the cruiser is in the oxygen concentration area, short press the knob to enter the setting state. Rotate to the new setting value. Short press the knob to complete the modification. Rotate the back. Humidity composition can adjust the humidity without changing the temperature. When the patient feels that the humidity is insufficient, increase the gear number. When the humidity is too high or there is more condensation in the heated tubing, the gear number should be lower. The H-80 series has a warm standby function. Select the warm standby function in the sighting interface to adjust the switch of this function. After turning on, when the patient removes the nasal cannula, the oxygen concentration will drop to 21%. The flow rate will drop below 40 liters per minute, and in the same time keep heating. After the patient continues to wear the nasal cannula, the normal working conditions will be resumed. The max duration for warm standby is 30 minutes, allowing treatment to be started quickly after a short leave, and reducing waiting time after turning on the machine again. Turn the knob to select the alarm interface, and short press the knob to enter. Low oxygen concentration and high oxygen concentration alarms can be set. The alarm log can be viewed for the past 6 alarm records, which is convenient for the medical workers to learn more information. Start the device by long pressing the knob. After the device is turned on, it will enter the preheating state automatically. During the preheating, the machine runs at a flow rate no more than 40 liters per minute to prevent steam from spreading into the host. There will be a prompt after the preheating is completed. One thing to note here is that you must connect the heated tubing before turning on the device normally. After treatment is completed, long press the knob to turn off the machine. After the shutdown, the humidifier will be cooled down for 90 minutes to prevent moisture from returning to the host and cause damage. Continue press the knob can turn off the cool down system. Remove the heated tubing. Open the water chamber cover. Press down on the chamber and remove it. Caution: do not touch the humidifier and the bottom plate of the water chamber when taking out to avoid burns. The water chamber uses a non-disinfecting one-way valve design. and the gas will not flow back to the host. Therefore, the host does not need to be disinfected. It can continue to use new consumables to save more time and improve